Our meat chickens are here. We're going to talk about our experience with the hatchery so far, but first, we've got some feeding to do. This pile of PVC frames is going to be our chicken tractor, but that's for another video.
This year we jumped in with both feet and we ordered 85 meat chickens from Meyer Hatchery. That's the most babies we've had on our homestead at one time, ever. Hatch day is on Monday. So the babies were hatched and shipped out on Monday. They arrived here on Wednesday. So only 2 days in shipping. When the chicks arrived, I got a call from the post office and I went to pick them up. Unfortunately, Brett was at work, so I didn't get a whole lot of footage of when the babies arrived because I was doing a lot of it on my own. 4 of the babies didn't make the trip and several more had some issues with their legs. It looked as though they got jostled around a little bit in shipment. By Friday, after 48 hours, sadly, we had lost 18 of our baby chicks. Fortunately, Meyer Hatchery has been wonderful working with us through email and by phone, and we decided to take a refund on the chicks instead of having them ship us new ones and having a flock that is 2 different ages.
We've had egg-laying chickens for the past 13 years, and we've always gotten our chicks from local feed stores or somebody we know. So this is our first time ordering from a hatchery, and I'm pretty satisfied with the experience. We did lose some in shipping, but at the same time, they worked with us and they offered us either more chicks, store credit, or a refund, and we chose to just go ahead and go with the refund. We will order from Meyer again, I believe. I think we're pretty satisfied. Be sure and stick around. Subscribe if you haven't already. We are going to add in more videos of the chickens, and we are in the process of building a chicken tractor. It's going to be a light-duty chicken tractor, but we're working on that video as well. That's going to be part of this series with raising the meat birds. And we look forward to having you along on that journey. And we'll see you next time.